Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by going straight into Settings and opening Display. Once there, look for text size and display size. Some MIUI builds label them together as text and display size. You do this because text controls only font while display size scales UI elements like icons and buttons. Make sure you're on the home screen so you can watch live previews. If you don't see both options, check additional settings or update MIUI, then proceed to the sliders. Now move the text size slider to the level that's comfortable. You'll notice text reflow instantly. This improves readability without changing layout drastically. Next, use display size to scale the entire UI so icons, buttons, and app Chrome become larger or smaller. This affects touch targets and spacing. Once done, preview apps and the home screen to confirm. If an app looks odd, reduce the change or try standard resolutions under screen. Finish by checking common apps, the lock screen, and quick settings to ensure nothing overlaps. If you need finer control, enable developer options and adjust the smallest width DPI carefully. You're changing density, so small increments matter. Once satisfied, reboot to settle rendering. If the layout breaks or elements disappear, reset text and display size to default or reboot into safe mode to isolate the issue. Clearing system cache or a quick factory reset are last resorts. That troubleshooting step fixes most display problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.